Your Lordship. Lordship, I beg your apologies, Your Lordship. I would like to mention item number 8 and 12, Your Lordship. I pray for adjournment for the day, Your Lordship. My senior MS.R. Chaudhary, due to some medical emergency, could not appear before Your Lordship today.
Wait for your turn. We'll pass the order. Later, after I reach, we'll see.
Please, Your Lordship.
May I please, Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 26 and 28, my lord. My lord, Learned English Council, Mr. M. Hussain is on leave, my lord. Matter may be taken up after 2 weeks, my lord.
That is in 26.
26 and 28, my lord.
Okay, let the matter reach. We'll see. We have it a note. We'll see.
Lord, I am not available in that
Doesn't
case, my
matter.
lord.
May I please, Your Lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item number 22, Lordship. Angus
20?
Council 22, Lordship.
Hmm.
Angus Council, Mr. A.R. Karim is suffering from diarrhea, Lordship,
Okay.
from last night.
You be here for some time. You be here.
Okay, Lordship.
Yes.
Yeah, please, I beg to mention for item number 38, Your Lordship.
Hmm.
Due to out of extension of P. Rahmani, Your Lordship, so the matter may be passed out for 2 weeks. 38.
Okay. Let the matter reach.
I beg to mention item number 37, Lordship. Lordship, matter may be adjourned for the day, Lordship.
Let the matter reach.
Let's say back to mention item number 43.
Item number?
43.
Hmm.
John.
Yes. What? For
For
what?
adjournment. For adjournment.
43.
Yes.
Let the matter reach.
Much obliged.
Yeah, please, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, I would like to mention item number 10, Your Lordship.
Hmm.
Fresh matter, Your Lordship, listed today. Your Lordship, the English Council, the Arguing Council is suffering from high fever, Your Lordship. Therefore, kindly adjourn the matter for the day, Your Lordship.
Let the matter reach.
Oblige, Your Lordship.
Item number 10.
Item number 48.
May it please, Your Lordship, my lord.
You have filed this petition,
Ma'am.
it's an order of the
My lord.
Central Administrative Tribunal, right?
My lord.
What we have seen that from the affidavit of the railway, there are 3, 4, and 7. The petitioner has already been terminated from service because of
He has
the
given a compulsory retirement.
abruptly, and a conviction has been issued by the special judge.
Yes, sir. Appeal is pending against it.
Appeal is pending. And that order of compulsory retirement is not under challenge.
My lord. But even then, my lord, the cause of action still survives.
If there is a cause of action, as of now, there is no cause of action surviving.
My lord, my responsible.
Unless you challenge the compulsory retirement, that is not under challenge. But even assuming in a given case, your appeal, you are successful in the appeal against the criminal court's conviction.
Right.
Thereafter, you file or you challenge the order of compulsory retirement. You are successful. Then there might arise a occasion for
Well,
consideration. We'll give you that liberty.
No, my lord, I bow down to your lordship's observation, but my respectful submission would be, on the date when the promotion was given to my juniors and my colleagues, my name was there in the empanel list, but ultimate effect was not given, saying that a criminal proceeding is pending. That is where the whole crux lies. Suppose this case would not have been there, or I would have been given the promotion, then the compulsory retirement that I got today, or after my compulsory retirement was given 3 years later. 3 years later, I was given the compulsory retirement. So for these 3 years, my lord, there will be some differences in my post from which I am retiring, and there is pension amount. There will be differences, my lord. That is why I said, my lord, that this cause of action still survives.
See, it's up to you. Since the order of compulsory retirement is not under challenge, you are already convicted under the Final and Special Court. And Form para 3, 4 and others of the affidavit of the railway, we are of the view that we'll close this, like, giving you liberty. Now, if you want to argue on the basis of merit of the order of retirement,
Yes, my lord, that I'm
in that
ready for.
case, then in that case, we may not consider whatever will be merit, it will be under merit. The consideration of that liberty may not be there at that stage.
My lord,
So it's up to the petitioner to decide whether you will have the liberty or you will have, because the matter is appeal is pending in the
And these
meanwhile.
are 19 matters. We are in 2024.
my lord, I appreciate.
And 19, the compulsory, do you have any reason why you have not challenged the compulsory retirement?
I talked with the clients yesterday. He said that if I win the criminal appeal, then the compulsory order of compulsory retirement would go
How
automatically.
will it go?
That is his instruction.
How will it go? You know, as a counsel, as an officer of the.
I asked him,
These are different standards of.
yes, no, my lord, the thing is this, the order of compulsory retirement is remain unchallenged, that is a different part. But why,
No, that is a relevant issue.
No.
At least the
Relevant-
pending challenge is also not there. You have challenged it, pending, that is also not there. You have just said that you are happy with the compulsory retirement. And after 5 years, whether.
but the compulsory retirement was given after a later stage. This cause of action arises earlier and was filed a
Compulsory
suit.
retirement is about 18, 12, 19.
Yes, 18, 12, 19.
19, we are in 2024.
No, not on that manner. What I am saying, this OA original application before the CAT was filed much prior to that.
Obviously, who is questioning that? Compulsory retirement has to be even.
But he did not challenge the order of compulsory retirement. That's up to him. I talked to him yesterday. He said, just sir, this is a,
Will it be an,
See, you've been quite seasoned lawyer now, you know. Come to page number 11 of the affidavit filed by the writ. That is the order by which have been removed compulsorily from service of the railways. Annexure B,
yes, ma'am.
read para 4.
And whereas the deputy financial advisor and CEO and so and so being the disciplinary authority after taking into account the facts and circumstances relevant to the case which led to the conviction of the said Sri Ratnadeep Datta Roy by the Honorable CBI Court, including the gravity of the misconduct, provisionally decided to impose a penalty of suspension from service on the said Sri Ratnadeep Datta Roy, invoking the provisions contained in Rule so and so Railway Servant Discipline and Appeal Rules 1968. A memorandum of event number dated so and so was issued to this effect. Subsequently, a so-called notice bearing number so and so dated so and so was issued, inter alia giving an opportunity to said Roy to submit his representation, if any, against the action proposed therein. In response to this, the said Sri Dr. Roy submitted his representation dated so and so. Therefore, after giving consideration to the memorandum of event number dated so and so issued to Sri Ratnadeep Datta Roy, his representation dated so and so there against and all other facts, aspects relevant to this case, the Deputy FNCO CEO, being the disciplinary authority, has observed, decided it under. Then at last paragraph, the punishment is being accorded.
So you are also been allowed to prepare an appeal if you are.
Yes, we did it, but that was not considered.
So particularly that order was appealed, right?
Right,
That,
yes.
that is not under challenge, specifically mentioned by the.
My lord,
nature.
in my respectful submission,
So you know what is the criminal proceeding and what is it?
understand, my lord.
So in that
He
case,
did not challenge the order of compulsory retirement, he will face the consequences. My instruction, my lord, that I have to, the,
Do you
Because-
think that, do you really think that there is any live cause of action?
pardon me, lord.
Do you really think that there is any live cause of action?
Yes, my lord. Why I'm saying so, my lord? Suppose if this person was not wrongly denied from the promotion, then he would have retired from a different post.
Mr. Sama, you know the law relating to promotion. It is only the consideration for which you have a right. You cannot have a right for promotion. Which we see, and there are materials to show that
My lord,
consideration was there, but there were reasons for not promoting you.
but if the reasons is not supported by law and the rules laid down by the department itself, then my lord, definitely your lordship will interfere. On that particular date, there was it's a wrong, absolutely probably wrong order by his name was Ampanel.
Even if you are successful, assuming,
My-
then you have not worked in the higher post. There is no question of any
But
benefit.
my lord, but there will be difference of pay and parks at the time of his retirement.
In a given case, yes, but in this kind of case, we don't think.
He'll get the national benefit of this post, my lord. If he is wrongly denied the promotion, my lord, then that has to be interfered with by your lordship, my lord. The ground for refusing him promotion was, my lord, that an FIR was filed against him. And there's nowhere in this country, my lord, this law is laid down clearly by the department's own communication or notifications that filing of FIR is not a criminal proceeding.
No, the subsequent fact of your conviction,
That comes later on, my
those will
lord.
be relevant.
But that comes later on.
Those will be relevant.
My lord, my respectful submission that lordship would decide this issue on the day when the cause of action arose. On that particular date,
Let us see the FIR. Who had lost the FIR? Was it by a third party or was it by the office?
page 42, my lord.
It is not an offense which is not connected to the office. It is an offense under the PC Act.
It's an offense under PCA.
PC Act, which assumes prima facie that this is an offense you have committed while discharging your duty as an officer of the
My lord,
particular
my lord.
department. It is not something, murder or a rape or
Uh-huh.
something, or a theft somewhere else. It is directly connected.
Directly
And-
connected to my.
And it is the office which had lost the FIR. Thereafter, considering you for promotion, where is that FIR? Let us see.
Page 42, Mr. And relevant portion is at 45. FIR lost by the CBI itself, not by anyone else.
Very serious offense. Even if we do not go to the quantum of the amount of the involved amount. Transferring in the name of your spouse.
Just a minute, Mr. Sumo, take it.
My lord, that office memorandum actually is in my age.
Just have a look. That office memorandum.
That is at page 35. Paragraph 2.
Yes.
But my promotion can be denied on these 3 grounds.
Yes.
1, railway service under suspension. It's not applicable. I was not suspended. Railway servant in respect of whom a charge sheet of major penalty has been issued in the disciplinary proceeding, not applicable. The third one, railway servant in respect of whom prosecution for a criminal charge is pending. Filing an FIR is not a prosecution for criminal charge. It doesn't say that there are judgment I would like to show, if Lordship pleases me, Lord. There are Supreme Court judgment, our High Court judgment. Filing of FIR is not a criminal procedure.
But can you just ignore or overlook the subsequent events?
Subsequent,
You may be right in contending that the examination by us has to be on that stage, but there is a subsequent event which are very material in this.
my lord, morally disheartening. I understand.
It's not a question of morality, these are facts.
No.
You have been
The facts
convicted.
come, my lord, had he been given the promotion rightly, he was wrongly denied the promotion at that relevant point of time. Had he been given, this would not have come.
The order the action which is the impugned, subject matter of the impugned, your challenge is directly connected with this particular FIR.
That FIR, my lord, has lordship and control. FIR does not per se prove the offense, my lord. It has to be proved.
So can we stick ourselves only to that stage?
I
when
can,
subsequent events.
my lord, I can very well understand the,
Events are 2019.
I can very well understand the dilemma that has caused your lordship's mind because of the fact that the charges have been proved later on.
When did you file this case?
Well, immediately, my lord. In CAT, my lord.
Yes, when?
CAT, I filed, my lord, immediately on the denial of the promotion.
When was it filed? And this writ petition?
Immediately thereafter.
Well,
There is no delay, no,
when
way.
filing?
There was no delay, my lord.
Where did it-
My lord, the CAT's judgment is on 12 April 2019. 12 April 2019.
Counsel for the petition. List on 1403. For hearing.
Oh, bless you. 14th of March, Lordship. Huh? What?
The best board are supposed to be here. Ms. Verma,
Yes, Lord.
in fact, while going through this matter, we had a deliberation on the earlier occasion, Mr. Polita was. And we found that record is necessary,
Record is?
will be required,
Yes,
because
Lord.
what we found is that the tribunal of its own restored the matter as of now, because there is no other document. We have to see whether in the records there was some any application filed by the state or
Sure.
something. You might remember there was a judgment passed by Justice Via along with the division bench Justice U Via as he was then. There are certain matters, mostly from Morigaon and other
Yes.
districts, where the tribunal closed the all such reference just in
References
2 lines order.
without any order.
Absolutely correct. So
Detailed order follows, but it
then
was
a
never
large
there.
number of series matters was listed
Yes.
and the Justice Bhuya as well then has passed those orders
Even Justice Manojit Bhuiyan had also passed.
subsequently.
Yes, Lordship. So motive to
To
take up those
reopen
matters.
his
Yes.
cases and his direction given. Many repetitions were because
Two-
state preferred those.
271 and all that,
Something.
yes.
There was a particular officer from
Yes.
Morigaon and some other districts also, there are similar issues. So we do not know whether on that count this has been appealed or what, because the record is not before us at this moment. Mr. Besburua, we are asked, calling for the records at this moment. Record will be required
Lordship,
because otherwise the tribunal has no such power to reopen any such case of its own.
Lordship.
So motu they cannot do it.
Lordship.
There might be some order from the court,
Okay.
while going to the, you have seen. So let us.
Maybe
see the
it came with
record.
that series of matters.
That's why. That's why while preparing it matter, we can know, we decided that that record may be, some order may be there.
Hmm.
So let us go to the record in original, then we'll pass the order.
Lordship.
It's from which district, Lordship?
This is from Kamrup Metro, on
Kamrup Metro.
list on 19th. Call for the records of. such and such text, no? Alrighty. Go to after. But if there is no such order, the tribunal doesn't have any power of its
Power
own,
to-
no suo motu power to, then the order will be different.
Different. Lordship, do we have to produce the
No,
records?
no.
Registry will.
Registry.
Much less.
Item number 2. Record and take it.
May I please? Your Lordship?
Yes, Mr. Sharma, Mr. Hazarika was there. We wanted to know from the Deputy Commissioner Nalbari.
Yes, yes, Lordships, he sent a letter, my lord, on 26/2/2024, my lord. We received that order on, your Lordship's order on 26, immediately he sent a letter, I have received that, but till now, that record, we have not received that mutation record. Sometime, my lord.
By, okay, we'll give you some time, but thing is this, if the Deputy Commissioner fails to place the relevant materials before us, we have to pass the consequential order against the authority concerned. Mr. P. Sharma, Lalit, additional Srinivasan, prays for some time on behalf of the Deputy Commissioner, will be respond number 4. To place the relevant instructions as directed earlier by the court on 23/0/2020. Were allowed list on 2nd April. Sufficient time, 1 month if you fail on the part of the Deputy Commissioner. By that time, election will be there. Don't say election and election. We will
Yes.
not consider all those
I will tease him.
consequences.
Oblige.
May I please, Your Lordship. My lord, here in this case, my lord, the foreigners tribunal has declared her the foreigners of 60 to 70 and directed to register her name. That has been done, my lord. Only grievance is that the tribunal hold her to be foreigners of scheme, my lord, 60, 60, 71.
What is it?
She ought to have been declared as a citizen. That is our grievance. But she has been declared of post 66 and directed to
You are
register.
challenging the opinion, but.
No, we are praying for modification of the order. Modification of the opinion, my lord.
That is challenging the opinion.
Yes, my lord.
But in the criminal, you have registered.
That is.
We have registered,
Without
he has
prejudice-
registered,
without prejudice to your rights to challenge, you have registered.
registered, my lord.
That's a different matter, but you are challenging, you are holding you to be 66 to 70.
Oh, yes, my lord.
The normal challenge, it's okay.
And the father's name, of course, not in the voter list of 66, 70, but her name is in the 70 voter list. And her father's name is in a Khotiyan, my lord, land records of 62. Brothers are in the voter list of
What is
60.
your age? Age.
Present is,
Age.
huh?
Age.
Is, present is, my lord, 70, around 76, my lord. She was voter in 70, my lord. elder brother is in 66. Paternal uncles are there. Paternal uncles name,
Younger brother, not elder brother.
no, her elder brother.
She's 77 years old. How can elder brother be 66?
Her elder brother is in 66. Her name is in 70.
Oh, in voter list of 66.
Yes.
We thought age is it.
Only for that consideration, whether declaration of 66 to 71 is correctly done or not. So, partially we are not challenging whole part of the judgment. We are only challenging part that she ought to have been declared as a citizen, not as a foreigner post 7.
3108 application number FT4 of 29 with CPR of foreigner of team 1966 24. Petitioner person to decide.
My lord, we are not pursuing the bail, my lord. He is already registered.
Person to the opinion set 3108. Which date? Okay.
My lord,
He has registered person before the FRR on 1101. To that act. Copy of registration. Consent registering on the department. In bracket. Leave this man. Notice it. No. Cloud9
Republic.
My lord, mention over my lord, I was having some difficulties, lordship. My colleague mentioned, my lord, for time, lordship, my lord.
No, just
Not
call for the
granted.
record.
And in this case, my lord, the petitioner was born in 1980, my lord, at Dhubri town. My lord, the learned tribunal has also, my lord, found that the link between, my lord, it is stated projected father, link was established, lordship.
We'll have the record order.
My lord,
1610.
We'll have the record.
Foreigner Tribunal, Kamrup, Metro Park. Case number 274 of the. Call for the record. Let this matter for Mukta Nathan, Bishop of the.
my lord, some protection, lordship, till then.
Let the records come.
My lord, otherwise I'll be arrested, lordship.
This is from Guwahati only. Wait for some.
All right.
May I please, Lord? My lord, the petitioner exhibited, my lord, voter list of 1966, 1971, my lord, where his father's name has been recorded. And my lord, 1985, my lord, his name has been recorded along with his father, parents.
Opinion
And
24/08/2023. FT case number FTC 15 of 10. Foreigner Tribunal, Doha. Call for the record. Leave immediately.
My lord, may I pray for interim, my lord?
Let the records come, we'll consider.
Oblige me.
May it please your lordship.
What's your good name?
F. Intaj lordship.
Final order opinion 2507 FP 1205 Furnace Terminal Second Morika also. Foreigner Furnace Terminal. Call for let's say more than likely.
May I please your lordship, petitioner declare for narrow Pushpak Singh Donamato.
Case number FP 432/2003. Order of opinion 29/11/2021. And this. Case number tribunal foreigner public illegal matter. Honor after 25 foreigner. File this petition. After more than 2 years from 23/02 to 2020. Call for the record.
You had made a mention in the morning.
Yes,
Opinion 2016. What's your good name?
FN Jaman,
2016-2023. FT second case number 14 bracket D. Bracket close 546/2012. Foreigners Tribunal second session. Foreigner public illegal matter. Post 25/03/19. Call for the record.
please, your lordship.
No. It's a contested case, Miller. Impugned order is not page 33.
Here is the order dated 11/01/2020. Case number BNGN/FT S2/APR/490/17. Brought by Foreigners Tribunal, Bongaigaon, number 2 of April. Foreigner oblique illegal matter. Post 25/03/19. Well, district petition of more than 3 years. Records.
The lordship kindly accommodate your lordship. The arguing counsel is not.
Just issuing, okay, it's here. Calling for the records, that's all.
Opinion 10/9/2020. Indicate T case number 1610/2000. Foreigner illegally entered into Indian 2503 honor after 25. As the foreigners tribunal Nagaon Kent at Chongqing Technical Society.
Who's motivated? Would like to know who's motivated. 1435.
File after movement. PS for
Right. It's a contested case, my lord. The impugned judgment is at case, my lord. 102, my lord. Tell me, lord, the four defense witnesses have been examined, my lord, including the petitioner, my lord.
FT within
LCR call.
G S
Right.
165. Copy
No,
for
LCR already given.
foreigners tribunal for
See.
all for foreigner on 1946 illegally entered territory of India honor up to 25. LDS taken 26.
He is outside, my lord. He is having minor children, my lord.
We'll consider.
Till then, my lord, she may be protected, my lord. Otherwise, my lord, she will be,
Record.
my lord, she may be
Let the
protected.
records come.
One five one.
The contested case, no, right? Yes. It's 29 is the judgment, right? And the one condition the document submitted before the tribunal is a dilapidated condition.
Did you appear before the tribunal?
Yes, ma'am.
You appeared?
Yes, yes.
Which day?
Malay?
Which day did you appear?
Appears some file a written statement.
No, did you appear? Bail.
Not that appearance. After the order of this court, did you appear?
Did you appear before the police? I think
There's an order of 3/2/2022.
Yes, ma'am.
Thereafter, did you appear? Secure bail.
No. I
You have not appeared.
None. Okay. I have not appeared.
No. We had an incident.
No, I have no interim. No interim, that's the first time people.
There is interim.
Very sensitive.
3/2/2022. There's an order of 3/2/2022.
Call for the record. 15.
You find out आपने
FD within bracket second case number 3168. With 11. Bill and member partner tribunal second.
खाना टिकट पोजीशन है नहीं कितनी खुदी है नहीं मदर में तो खुदी लो
No, my lords, after receiving notice that
is confused lordship not understanding not sure whether they have appeared or not
Madam, you have any instructions regarding this fact?
we can get instructions lordship. This is from
In the meantime, we'll have the records also, you can get the instructions.
अपन एक बेल दी थी अपनी पुलिस का टिकट पोजीशन है नहीं तो खुदी
ये तो
ये सीधी से ये तो ऑर्डर लिखा है
लिखा नहीं है।
अपना फाइल नहीं किंतु फोटो ऑर्डर कर
Dolgaon will come under. I think so, BTC area.
Lorong
Dolgaon or Udalguri.
Udalguri.
I think so, Udalguri now.
we can find it out lordship
It's Udalguri.
No information.
Dolgaon is in Udalguri. I will come.
Registry shall also issue notice to the Superintendent Police
order to Loiloba
Udalguri. And in the meanwhile, from the L, we got it that the petitioner is a resident of village. Kujua Police Station Rota, District Udalguri, and we get it together. As it is reflected from this petition file. Ms. Verma, standing counsel from department shall also apprise the foreigners tribunal number 2 Toronto as well as Superintendent Police Border Toronto and Superintendent Police Border Udalguri.
to the list is on the
Use this matter immediately. Correct.
Oblige.
lordship copy of the order
Will be provided to you. Very good. On the- By order date 29/11/2029, 2019. Reports of FT case number 1203/2017 was called for from the Foreigners Tribunal 6th, Gwalpara. Gwalpara Naharia, Kolkata.
1319 money.
Which
Should
note
be
did it?
listed along with that then.
19/1/2024. Reflect that. Rest is yet to receive the state account. Because to reminder. Yeah, problem. And ready to approve. It's a reminder to the superintendent. On a travel license property as well as particularly for better. Copy of the order to miss product. List. On 21st of March.
Lordship, there is a connected matter to that in which he had a bail. So that may be listed along with this one, Lordship. The petitioner has two cases against him. Last order of 29/11/2019, Lordship.
Hmm.
It says that in the case of the petitioner is that of two proceedings. So he has an interim in the first one, so that may be listed along with this one.
Second case of the
WPC.
petition, WPC number 1300/2019. Listed along with this.
Wait,
Copy of the order. Yeah, problem. By order dated 31/01/2020. Represent 2020. No, no, no. 2020. Admission. Admission. No. For 17. By order date 31/01/2020. Records of case number FT 17/2017 was called from the Office of the Finance Tribunal 7 Cascode. Balipara. Because Balipara will be under Bishanath or Balipara will be in Sonitpur.
No,
Sharma will know. It will be under Sonitpur. Office. So reminder was issued earlier. But the registry, they have to receive the records of the said applicants has been reflected from the office note dated 23/01/2020. They should place reminder to the office of the Finance Tribunal 7 Balipara for the records of application. List on 25.
Lordship, can it be some later, Lordship?
Copy of this or let the records come. Also, registry shall also inform the Superintendent of Police Board, Tezpur, Sonitpur, Tezpur. Then that's it. Copy of this order will also be furnished. Failure on the part of the Foreigners Tribunal. Provided the relevant record that was sought for by the court on by order. The court shall consider the past consequential order against the concerned foreigners tribunal. Concerned authority of the plan has obstructed the application. Did you appear, Mr. Chaudhary?
Yes, Lordship, but date, Lordship, I cannot say right now because I received the brief through my colleague, Lordship. He expired in Corona, Lordship. That's why I have to
Try to
correct.
get the date under exit.
I live.
by
Yeah,
order
please, Your Lordship.
05/11/2021.
Dismissing.
Lordship, I would like to adjourn it for the day because learned counsel is sick, that's why.
Records of FT.
Any short date may be given, Lordship.
19 matter,
Union Beckett 8.
calls for
Union
dismissal.
Cycle 8. Case number 2297. Was called from the furnace step number 8. Office note. Dated 23/01. They recorded. Let's see. Tell us. Okay. Oh, Jim. Okay, correct. Just. Misamari Sarma, it will be under Sunitpur or it will be under Bishwanath? Case number 8.
It's 23/1/24, reference is 5/3/20.
Yes, yes, but the frequency of
That is the next. Any person to verify page.
There is 8. Particular not particular. Affidavits of page 25. Oh, the 10
Nur Zaman, Nur Zaman,
No, no.
Nur Zaman. Okay, no, it's not, no.
Where's the brief?
Lordship, I didn't get the file.
You take this
Learned
brief.
counsel informed me in the morning,
You
that's why.
take this brief, madam. There are serious issues here. Yes, yes. Madam Verma, you have the brief? What is the name of the proceeding petitioner?
Noor Jahan Begum.
Noor Jahan Begum. We'll come to the cost title of 8 pages cost title. That's a different aspect. Come to page 25.
Affidavit. The name is different in the affidavit.
One lady has signed, Noor Jahan, who is the petitioner, and the name in the affidavit is Buruj Ali, son of so and so, who claims to be the petitioner.
Yes, sir.
Is this a kind of a negligence or laches which can be pardoned or overlooked or ignored? Who filed a case? With the council. Who filed a case? Council.
Uh,
First page. filed by
Sir.
first page of the petition.
Noor Jahan. And
First page of the read petition,
F.A. Hassan.
sir, by the side,
F.A. Hassan. F.A. Hassan.
F.A. Hassan, come forward. See what you have done.
No, my lord, this case is I Hussain, my lord. My name,
F.A. Hassan or I Hassan?
F.A. Hassan and
Who
I
has
Hussain.
filed this read petition?
F.A. Hassan.
Are you not F.A. Hassan?
I am the F.A. Hassan.
Now see page number 8,
Page number 8, my
first
lord.
title.
Yes, my lord.
Whose name is there?
Musafwat Noor Jahan Begum.
Come to the
Right.
affidavit, page 25.
Buruz Ali.
I am the petitioner. Who signed it?
Noor Jahan Begum.
And in that manner, you have filed this read petition.
Actually, I am
Don't blame others. It is your signature.
and this our
Mr.
signature,
F.A. Hassan has signed it.
but
Don't blame others.
this petition is prepared by I Hussain.
We are not on the preparation. We will know, you will be accountable. Who has signed the petition? Who has filed the petition?
And the affidavit, my lord, we have not signed, my lord. My clerk
it-
is signed there.
What are you saying, Mr. Hassan? Affidavit is an advocate required to sign an affidavit?
No, my lord, not signed, my lord.
You have filed the read petition on
No, I-
behalf of the petitioner.
Filing,
So-
yes, my lord. It is my signature, my lord.
Sorry.
Actually, my lord, this is not our case, my lord. My colleague case, my lord. I am the filing member. This
So
is our
whoever
district,
asks
my
you
lord.
to do anything, you just sign. That is your role as a council.
This is a mistake, my lord. I am sorry for that, my lord.
What mistake? This is a.
You'll have to face the consequence, sorry.
Read the paragraph 1.
You have to
of
face
the
the
affidavit-
consequence.
Of the affidavit, page number 20.
If that is your attitude, somebody asked me to sign, I sign. And that is filing, not even signing the collar number.
Page number 25.
Paragraph number 1.
That I am the petitioner of the
Who is
instant.
the petitioner?
That I am the
Who is the petitioner? What is his name in the affidavit?
affidavit name is Buruz Ali.
He's a son of somebody, not even a lady. That
Yes,
some
madam.
lady had come. You did not know whether she was Noor Jahan or somebody else.
See, my lord, there is the actually, my lord, real fact is there is the my lord, typographical, my lord, mistake, my lord. Cut copy paste, my lord. When the computer is typed, my lord. This is the actual fact. my lord.
Okay, you explain it for the appropriate authority. There will be a proceeding against you. You explain before that, not before us. We are not the adjudicating authority for this kind of thing. Identify করছেন মোটামুটি। তাই তো, কেন কি? Has been received. Received. Good. This writ petition, which was filed in the year 2019, was filed in the year 2019, in which notice was issued on 5/3/2021, and records and the concerned records were called for from the Foreigners Tribunal number 8, Tezpur. Office note dated 23/1/2024 has, however, reflected that the LCR has not been received till date. Para, issue reminder for requisitioning the LCR. Full stop. Para. A perusal of the writ petition, however, has revealed something very serious. Full stop. The name of the petitioner, as would reflect from the cause title, as well as the documents annexed, is Musammat, MUSTT, नाम to cross file होगा, Noorjahan Begum, Gutekini, daughter of so-and-so, Gutekini. However, the affidavit is in the name of one Buruj Ali Gutekini, who claims himself to be the petitioner. Full stop. It is equally shocking that the signature, however, appears to be of Noorjahan Begum, who was not only identified by the concerned advocate's clerk and registered before the concerned notary, the learned counsel has also filed this writ petition with such situation. Full stop. Para. The aforesaid facts and circumstances reveal a very sorry state of affairs with regard to the nature of scrutiny and scan which is required to be maintained at the time of filing and registration of writ petition. Full stop. Para. We accordingly direct the Registrar Judicial of this court to take stock of this matter and take appropriate action by reporting to the concerned authorities against all the persons whose names appear in the aforesaid activity. Full stop. The report is also to be called from the concerned superintendent who had registered this writ petition on on 4/10/2019. The action taken, the steps and action taken by the Registrar Judicial be informed to this court by means of a seal cover on the next date, which is fixed on 19th of March 2024. 21st of March. Puro record.
Publish.
Please.
Lordship, this is a
When
case
did the
where
petitioner appear before the SP border, Morigaon? Mr. Dutta,
last order is Lordship
when
22
did he
11
appear?
appeared, Lordship.
When,
Did he appear before the?
Yes, Lordship, within the stipulated 15 days time frame.
Give us the date,
Lordship, that is not available with me. But,
get the information.
Lordship,
Silva,
I ordered it 22/11/2021. Record of FT within bracket 3/37. 2013 was called for. On the furnace, tribunal number 3rd, Morigaon. Okay, so 23/01/2022. See where they registered it. List on paper. Copy to the copy of this order also be furnished to. No. We make that fixed. Both the petition, counsel for the petition and the Ms. Gilman, the apprised the court as to when the petitioner appeared before the court in terms of the 11. So whether you have what is specific.
obliged. Great case, Lordship.
11/2021. Case number FT-5, public CPR, public 577, public 2017. Furnace tribunal 5th to brief. Office note 24/01/2020. When did he appear?
Lordship, within 15 days after passing the order.
Similar order. Yes, Ms. Verma. Order was of 11 of August 2021. 15 days time was given.
Obliged.
Plain code. I think it- reports. We
green pen. Entry mode আছে।
order dated 3/21. FT case number 1/2011. Ordinance tribunal 2nd. No. That's- that was the- Some of it. Office note dated 24/1. Yes. When did the petitioner appear before the SP board on Nagaon? No information. Yes, Ms. Verma. 21st of March, you have to also inform us. And if have not appeared, take action immediately. Order 240321. Number 621/K/86 Foreigner Tribunal to break.
What is document? Forty-two amendment. 21. Exit. 21. Hmm? खाली इतना. So 43.
Agoboni will be South Salmara or in Dhubri? No. Which part? Any idea? Yeah. No idea. Yeah. Dhubri.
नहीं
Dhubri.
पेपर साइज 9.
Yes, please inform us. When
Yes,
did she
Lord.
appear? 21st.
Okay.
My lords, this is a disposed of matter. On 8/2/24, the matter was disposed of. And by that order, at paragraph 10, it was observed that the 164 statement to be returned to Mr.
Ah, yes, yes.
Dina.
Yes, yes. It was called for.
Yes,
In
my
fact,
lord, it was
totally,
revived.
With an order. ঠিক আছে, no, আমি 3 লাখ কি বলছি না না এটা কি করে দিতে পারে না করে দিন তো করে করতে This has been listed at your instance. No, it is.
No, my lord, by an office note.
Office. This writ petition was disposed of by an order dated 8/2/2024. Full stop. In the said order, comma, there was an observation to return the statement of the minor child made under section 164 of the CRPC
to Sri Dinath, the learned senior government advocate, Assam, full stop. Para. This case has been listed today on the instance of the registry, which has put an office note dated 22/2/2024, whereby it is indicated that there would be a requirement of a small modification in the said order by which the aforesaid statement made under section 164 CRPC is to be returned to the concerned court and not to Sri Dinath, the learned senior government advocate. Full stop. Para. We have heard Ms.
You
Para.
shall.
Sharma. Para. After hearing, we are of the opinion that the clarification sought for by the registry is required to be done. Full stop. Accordingly, in paragraph 10 of the order dated 8/2/2024, wherein it appears that the statement under section 164 of the CRPC is to be returned to Sri Dinath, is to be read as quote, the aforesaid statement is to be returned to the concerned court of Chief Judicial Magistrate, Dibrugarh. Full stop. Para. The order passed today is required to be read as a part of the order dated 8/2/2024. Registry may accordingly take consequential action.
Highly obliged.
One or pastor, they not a motion is PN Sharma.
May I please, your lordship?
Madam, did you appear
Lordship.
pursuant to 29/9/2020? Did you appear?
Where is Mr. Sharma?
Bail
Mr.
was
Sharma?
granted, lordship.
Get the information whether the petitioner appeared before the Superintendent of Police Border Borpeta
Yes, sir.
in person to the order is at 29/09/2020.
Yes, sir.
Get the information.
Yes.
In the meanwhile, we'll hear the Ms. Begum.
May I proceed, lordship? Lordship, this is a contested case. An impugn order dated 30/01/2022. The petitioner is declared as foreigner, lordship. Petitioner adduced evidence DW1 himself, DW2 Gabura, DW3 his brother, lordship, and Lat Mondol.
Actual link is voter list of 1997, where his name is appeared with his mother lordship. No, for link is to link is 97. Cell. Cell the photo. Cell the right to photo. You will go. Wait, access. 70. 74. Ama link is to cell the channel. Samavante. Nanti cek sama apa sana? Seventy. 50. Ratunya mata itu. Hmm. 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 Itu
the file was interlocutory petition. Yes, I. Nurjahan to nine. Nurjahan last day to communicate. Nurjahan I to like. Yeah, yeah.
Hmm. Yeah. Right. Mhm. Mhm. Right. Sixteen. No parents. Hmm. So, this one. Okay. 15. तो है दोनों भाई तो पे हुए थे ना हाँ हाँ
Mr. Daspe, take your seat.
Good.
Where are your names in the voters list? Your name. Which voters list?
Lordship, link is 1997, Lordship, voter list of 1997.
Page
Page 62.
62.
Yes, Lordship.
97.
Yes, Lordship.
What is 68 then?
68 is the original one, Lordship. vernacular lordship.
No, 68.
Eh, Lordship, is it page number?
Yes, page 68.
Page 68.
Voter list of same year of 1997.
Talebor Rahman is his brother, lordship,
No, we are asking about your name.
my name. This is not here, lordship. This is my brother's. Talebor Rahman, son of Ghatomia.
And thereafter, where is your name?
Lordship, as in the voter list of 2010, my name has been put against my name. Lordship,
No,
so
after 97 till 2010. 13 years.
Lordship, I haven't produced, Lordship.
Hmm?
I have only these documents, Lordship.
No, your document, though these are post 1970, may not have much of a relevance, but you need to show your connection. Where is your name? And 1997, you are only 17 years. You were born in somewhere in 1980. Sometime in 1980 is your birth, the date of year of birth. So 97, you could be say, 17 years.
First time appeared, Lordship, my name.
But why two voters list of 1997? These are separate house numbers.
Yes, my brother lives separately. Talebor Rahman.
And you come to page 70,
70.
voter list of 2010. Your name is not there. And between
Yes,
97 and 2010, show us one document, one voter's list.
Lordship, I have only the Jamabandi, Lordship. Page number 82. As son of Ghatomia.
80.
Page number 82.
Yes,
Six number line from top, Lordship. Siddharth Chakra বিষয়াৰ 2-3-2011 চনৰ তাৰিখ হুকুমতে উত্তৰাধিকাৰী সূত্ৰে উত্তৰাধিকাৰী সূত্ৰে পট্টাৰ 402, 403 নং দাগৰ 7 নং পট্টাদাৰৰ স্থলত শামছুল হক পিতা ঘাটুমিয়াৰ নামত নামজাৰি কৰা হ'ল. My father's name is Ghatomia, Lordship, and accordingly my name is mutated in the land is mutated in my
What
name.
about your brother's name? If you are projecting that Talebor Rahman is your brother,
Yes.
where is his name in this Jamabandi?
I have shown only my name, Lordship. Document related my name, I have shown.
No, this is a Jamabandi. Yeah.
Yeah.
If he is your brother, his name naturally is required to be projected here.
Yes. Lordship, as per voter list of 1966, my parents' name appeared in the voter list of 1970. My father and mother both appeared, Lordship. And in
We have
the
seen those.
Lordship,
We have seen those.
yeah.
You were born sometime in the year 1980. So prior to that, you have shown a voter list containing names of persons whom you claim to be your father and mother. Okay, no problem.
Yeah.
You were born in 1970, so you must have attained your age of voting when? This decrease in the age of voting came only in the year 1989. So 90 what? 80, then it will be 18 years. When? 97. Okay, 97. Now, after 97, what happened?
Lordship, yes, I haven't produced any document regarding the voter list, Lordship, regarding that made in years.
And this Jamabandi at page 82,
Yes,
which you have relied or referred, contains one Samsul of Pita Khatumia.
yes.
This is in respect of what? Which land?
Side 402, Dag number 402 and 403, Lordship. 7 nong Pattara
Where have you stated in your written statement?
written statement. Lordship, page number 12, para 12. Here stated that second party, father of the second party had landed property at village Agmundia, height here patta number 112 and 119 under Moza Mondia, district Bogota. One land revenue payment receipt has been produced in this regard.
Where is that? Let us see. Third. Third. Motive of the Tariqa 3. Or Tariqa Tini. Where is the dark number in the written statement?
Written statement, page
Because in the-
number 12, Lordship.
Hmm?
This here there is no dark number, Lordship.
In page 82, there are only reference to two dark numbers, 402 and 403.
402, 403, yes.
How do you connect 402 and 403 DAG with patta number 112 and 119?
Lordship, there is also a Sitha, Lordship.
Page?
Page number, one cell did, Lordship. Page number 72.
Exhibited.
Yes, exhibited. The
Yes, patta is 144. DAG is 18.
this land is sold, Lordship.
So this is not connected. This your father had sold. Your projected father had sold to one Abdul Hamid.
Yes.
Where is the reference to this land of which you are relying upon the Jamabandi?
Lordship, I am saying only the sale deed, Lordship. But
Sale deed
this is
is-
not connected with the
Sale deed is not
Jamabandi.
connected with this
This
Jamabandi.
is not connected with the Jamabandi, yes, Lordship. If I, Lordship, with humble respect, if I saw the linkage, then my voter list of 1966, 70, and also 1985, Lordship, here my my parents' name appeared, Lordship.
Now, where is the linkage? This
Linkage
is
with,
prior even prior to your birth. You were born sometime in the year 1980. These are something to do with two persons whom you project to be your parents, maybe. But you have to show a document by which your linkage with your parents can be demonstrated.
Then Gabural certificate, Lordship, page number 84.
80,
84.
you know the law regarding Gaubara certificate. Was he examined?
Gabura has deposed himself, Lordship, and the tribunal.
Have you read his deposition? He has not brought the register. We just had a look of his deposition. We are not in the aspect of using national emblem. Forget all those things. On the contents, what is written? Just see. Yeah, Dara Praman, please read at page 85.
ইয়াৰ দ্বাৰা প্ৰমাণপত্ৰ দিয়া হয় যে বৰপেটা জিলাৰ বাঘপুৰ থানাৰ মন্দিয়া মৌজাৰ 15 নং চাৰ্জ অন্তৰ্গত আগমন্দিয়া ভৈৰাৰ পাম নিবাসী মোহাম্মদ শামছুল হক পিতা লেট খাতুমিয়া স্বৰ্গীয় খাতুমিয়া. So here also Lordship, his father name shown as Khatumia.
Gotumia. Let us see. For the timing, let us assume this is Khatumia. No problem. Where is the address? This certificate will do. Let us see how he has deposed. Have you seen his deposition? Very interesting.
Gabura DW2, page number 22.
Page number 23. Come to the
23. Yes. I know the OP Samsul Haq. I have issued a certificate to him as a permanent resident of village Agmondia and the son of late Gatumia. Exhibit P is the said certificate on 23/2/2015 as a evidence of the village. As a resident of the village when I am the Gaubura. The OP is not a foreigner. He is an Indian citizen, as per my knowledge, since I know him from his childhood.
Okay.
As per his knowledge, Lordship.
Yeah, yes. Okay. To the tribunal. Yes, please.
The tribunal.
To the tribunal. Next page. These are
To the
questions.
tribunal. He maintained. We maintain registered book for issuing residential certificate. We do not keep population registered record book. I haven't brought and submit any documents of the population or inhabitants of the both village Agmondia and Hoyarpam. The OP may be about 40 years old as on date. The OP's father had expired 20 years ago. I do not remember the date of his death. During his lifetime, he had casted vote after 1985. As I know, he had not casted vote. The OP has two elder sons, has two elder brothers.
Both are maybe
Both are maybe 50 years old as on date. I do not know their age. Exhibit T is my ID. He hadn't brought the population register, but he himself stated that he knew him from his personal knowledge, Lordship, and for a specified time he knew his family, Lordship, his whereabouts, his parents.
as regard to the father's voting, the Gaumura said, after 1985, as I know, he had not cast his vote, right? Casted vote. Anyway,
As he died, Lordship, as his father died. I have stated that in my writ petition. As my father died, so my mother's name appeared in the voter list.
where you have mentioned about your brothers in your written statement or evidence in everything.
Written statement.
You cannot go beyond the written statement. That is the reply to the so called.
Wait, I have not
Which para?
stated lordship, brother's name, all my siblings.
In which para you have mentioned the name of your siblings?
Where in WS?
The
Lordship, only my mother's name, para 11, page number 12.
Hmm.
I have stated only my mother, regarding my mother's voter list. And father, para 12, his father's landed property, lordship. And para 14, his wife's voting right, lordship. And para 15, his family, lordship, his own children name are stated, lordship. And also his father-in-law's name, para 16.
Those are not required
Yeah.
because the reference was particularly against the petitioner number 1, not with others.
Yeah. His brother Talebur Rahman, lordship, page number 25, annexure 4. He also adduced his
Where in your written statement you have stated about your brothers or sister?
lordship. In the WS, I haven't stated my siblings, about
Oh.
my siblings.
Okay.
I have only stated about my father and mother.
Who is appearing in this side? Yeah. Reference was against the. Original concept. Printed from. Printed.
Produce করা নাই কিন্তু জমা কিন্তু কপিটো চেকত তাকে দিয়া নাছিলে
Yes, ma'am.
Lordship, WF is completely vague, which we have just seen, Lordship. And the Gaon Bura certificates also do not help.
No,
the
in the written statement, he has spelled
Only-
out the name of his father,
It's not.
saying that he had passed in 1966-70, thereafter in 1985.
And he passed
And
away.
his name figured along with his mother
Yes,
in the year 1997. While he was, and that particular photo
21.
reflects his age as 21.
21, Lordship.
So in 1997-21, he was otherwise eligible to vote prior to that, because in 89 March,
Yes.
it has become 18. Right? So March. 89. 18 years old. 97 or 21. 1984, born on 1971, 1981.
Jamabandi copy.
41 years, he is 20, affidavit of property. True. On a, around 1981.
এইটো নতুনকে দিছো, আমি দিছো।
Hmm?
পিছত দিয়া হৈছে নেকি?
What is your year of birth? Roughly. Is it 1980? Should be 1980.
And
Madam Verma,
Yes, Lordship.
what would be his year of birth?
I was just checking the affidavit, Lordship,
Affidavit he declares to be 41 years as on 2020.
2020, so 44
So
now,
maybe it should be around 1980,
80.
1 year here or there.
Yes, Lordship. If it is 80, then it should be 97.
He reaches 97, 18 years at 1997. So he has a voter list of 97.
97. Hmm? Okay. And the Jamabandi copy which is referring to, it was not before the tribunal, Lordship,
Jawandi was not.
not before the
No,
tribunal,
Jawandi is not matching also.
not matching, and it is
Jawandi was not exhibited.
it's not one of the exhibits because it's just a land document. Exhibit W is a land document. Trying to see what
But the sale deed is not connected with the Jamabandi.
it is not.
Sale deed is in connection with a land allegedly sold by his father
Pardon.
to one Hamed.
Exhibit document is
culture file.
No, it was exhibited, Lordship.
Hmm?
It was exhibited at paragraph 24. It says this document neither exhibited by the OP.
It was exhibited.
Yes, without taking leave of this tribunal, out of nowhere, this document was filed. At page 49, I'm reading it from page 49, paragraph 24, Lordship. From the order sheet of the instant case, it is found out that white petition so-and-so OP had prayed before the tribunal to pass an order for taking steps to summon the Lat Mandalan election officer to prove the land document and the voters list relied by OP. In the said petition, OP had not made any specific mention about the land document for which the Lat Mandal was to be examined. However, for the end of justice, the prayer was allowed, and accordingly, OP had examined DW4, the concerned Lat Mandal, on 27/9/2019. On the said date, during the course of his oral testimony, a certified copy of the Jamabandi pertaining to village so-and-so submitted at Exhibit Z. In his chief, the Lat Mandal had stated that Exhibit Z was issued from his office. The date of issuing is 4/12/2018. He also mentioned that in pursuant to order dated 2/3/2011, passed by the circle office and the Cheetah copy, Samsul Haq's name had been mutated in place of his father, Gattu Miah, as legal heir so-and-so. On this disclosure question, has been raised in mind that if OP had inherited land property in village Agmandia, then why he had suppressed the said material facts in his pleading? And at that time of his evidence, and if DW3 is his brother, then why he has also remained silent about this fact? So this document does not give much confidence to the case, Lordship. A sudden production of a land document had only caused adverse inference.
Lordship, at that time, he had that document. Perhaps his youngest
But
counsel
there
hadn't
is no
produced,
mention in
Lordship.
the WS or in anywhere else. It has come up suddenly. Like. Lordship, even paragraph 26, Lordship may come to, as per the order of the concerned circle officer, dated so and so, it appears that through purchase, Gattumia's name had been entered in the land property under Patta so and so. DW4 further failed to disclose on the basis of what documents, as a legal heir of Gattumia, Samsul Haq's name had been mutated in the concerned land property. He had stated that he has not found any documents in regard to Gattumia's death and the proof of legal heir of Samsul Haq. He also expressed his ignorance about the name of the Latmondal and the circle officer who was posted at Bagbur Revenue Circle, Mandya in the year 2011. In the cross, DW4 had admitted that in the Jamabandi copy, there was no mention of the measurement of the land property against whom the mutation order was passed. He also stated that a land mutation should be done 1 year or 6 months after the death of the Patadar. As per OP's statement, his father had died before the year 1997, but the mutation order was passed on 2/3/2011. The only document which he is relying on is also against a lordship.
Lordship, this the mutated after his father's demise, Lordship. It is proved. Lordship, with my submission, uh,
has document with it. So. I put- That was Yes, Ms. Verma, land document was exhibited. But what we have seen from the evidence, the record, is that there is no such specific observation whether the father, the projected father of the petitioner, or the landholder or relating to the land
How is named?
of tag number 403 of pattern number 112 or not, or also of 402, because there is no mention anywhere in the Jamabandi. Tell us.
Because the last mandal has also said that whatever their paper, the of the digital record, that the print second version, last mandal's reputation is there.
Latmandal statement. Yes, Latmandal is W4.
DW4
Yes.
that has no given evidence on the basis of record, but certain statements of DW4, such as that from his knowledge in the Jamabandi copy.
Yes, you read the statement of DW4.
DW4. Type to this.
Yes, please read.
Page 31, okay? Annexure 530.
Kindly read.
On note, the deposition of DW4 is at about 50
No,
years
from today I have come.
today. Today I have today I have come to give evidence on receiving someone on behalf of
OP.
OP. I am posted as a Lat Mandal in Bagbor Avenue Circle, Mondia. I have joined the circle office as a Lat Mandal in the year 2015. Under the Lat Mandal number 1, I am working for last 2 years since 2017. Under Bagbor Avenue Circle, there are 26 Lat in total. To give evidence today before the tribunal, I was authorized by my circle officer by Exhibit Z3. That means the authorized letter dated 26/09/2019. That is my identity card. Exhibit Z is the certified copy of the Jamabandi copy pertaining to village Agmondia under Bagbor Circle. It is issued from our office, that means Bagbor Avenue Circle. In this document, under DAG number 402 and 403, Patta number 112, at serial number 7, Khatomia's name had appeared. He was the original pattadar of the state Patta land. At the relevant page number 4 at paragraph 4, the circle officer had passed an order on 2/3/2011 where he passed an order to enter the name of Samsul Haq in the place of his father Khatumia. In the relevant page number 4, at serial number 30, Samsul Haq's name had appeared as the legal heir of Khatumia and inherited the said plot of land. OP is still in the absolute possession of the said plot of land. Exhibit Z4 is the land revenue receipt. Exhibit Z1 is the signature of Supervisor Kanango. Exhibit Z2 is the signature of Revenue Circle Officer. Today, I had also submitted the original record of the Jamabandi copy. To prove the entries made in Exhibit Z, that is the Jamabandi copy, today I have submitted the relevant page of the record, that means Exhibit Z6. Samsul Haq had applied before the Office of the Revenue Circle of Mondia. On receiving the applications, as per the direction of Circle Officer, we went for field mutation. Thereafter, we submit our spot verification report. On the basis of the said report, the Circle Officer had heard the matter and passed an order in this regard. Today, I have also submitted the original record of Sitha copy. When a mutation case was disposed of by Circle Officer's order, it was entered in the Sitha copy first. The order was passed on 2/3/2011. In the office record, the name of the OP, Samsul Haq, and his other family members appeared in the Sitha copy. The DAG number 402 and Pata number 112 are the old number. The DAG number 402 is the Basti land of the OP, and DAG number 403 is the agriculture land property of OP. As per my knowledge, OP and his family had owned and possessed a plot of land measuring 17 bigha, 11 lesa in village Agmondia since 20, as record reflects. Earlier, the said plot of land was owned and possessed land by Khatumia. Khatumia was the old patadar of the said plot of land. His name had entered during the time of settlement from the year 1964. Eligible logic. Cross. When an order has been passed by the Circle Officer, the name of the persons for whose favor the order was passed are entered firstly at the Sitha copy, and after that the names were entered in the Jamabandi copy. In the Sitha copy at relevant page where Samsul Haq's name had appeared as per order dated 2/3/2011, the measurement of land was recorded. But in the Jamabandi copy, there was no mention of the measurement of land against while the
Against
mutation lordship
Against which?
land against I am reading page number 31.
Yes,
Lordship.
The word
Sir,
expression is
Not
which.
while, it is which.
It should be which, yes. Of land again, which the mutation order was passed. The mutation case was initiated on the application submitted by Samsul Haq. Along with his application, whether Samsul Haq had submitted any death certificate or other certificate or not, from where it can be derived that he is the legal heir of Khatumia. I do not know since I was not posted during the year 2011 at Bagbor, Mondia Circle. Nowadays, we keep all the record and documents submitted by the applicant in our office. During the time of 2011, generally a Gambura certificate had submitted by the applicant to prove that they are the legal owners of the person who was the patadar of the land property. I haven't found any such documents as a part of the record submitted by Samsul Haq for the land mutation. I do not know who was the Lat Mandal and the Circle Officer in the year 2011 at Bagbor Avenue Circle. Usually, the land mutation should be done within 1 year or 6 months after the date of the patadar. From the draft Sitha copy only, it can be ascertained that how the original patadar had got the patta. As per my knowledge, in the Jamabandi copy, Khatumia's name had appeared in the year 1964 to 1965. In remark column of the Jamabandi copy, the orders are reflected to be passed on 1966, against the mutation pertaining to Abdul Rahman and Abdul Aziz at serial number 45. I do not know whether Samsul Haq had submitted any death certificate or not. I do not know at what documents Samsul Haq has submitted to prove that he is the legal heir of Khatumia. Today, I haven't submitted the spot verification report submitted by them, by Dan Latmondal, on the basis of which the concerned Circle Officer had passed mutation order. It is not a fact that without any authority on the basis of record today, I have adduced evidence. It is not a fact that the Jamabandi copy submitted by OP are not issued from our office. It is not a fact that today I have given false evidence.
So you have seen the evidence of the Gambura who said the property has two elder brothers, right? One of the elder brother appeared The protected elder brother appeared, though the name of the siblings was not mentioned by the petty in his written statement as well in evidence in affidavit. But DW2, his brother appeared, DW2 or DW3, saying that he is the youngest. There are three brothers, right? But if it is the name of the petitioner to be entered the Jamabundi in place of Kutumia as right of inheritance, then the other two brothers and his mother's name would also have been reflected. So apparently from this evidence of the Latmandal, it is very clear that there is nothing to prove that the Prosody is the son of Tumi. Otherwise, there is no such record, the basis of which the Prosody could obtain that order from the circle officer to be the legal heir of said Gatumia to enter his name in that particular plot of land. That's what he said ultimately.
Lordship, DW4, today, and today when we go to apply for mutation, we submit next of kin certificate, Gabura certificate, all these things. But DW4 has mentioned that at that time, 2011, only Gabura certificate is sufficient, Lordship.
Now, what thereafter you did, what he said, those documents are not there, neither the death certificate, nor that certificate of the Gambura could be found any such record.
He was not in the, that time, he
It is
was not in the
available in
search.
record.
Yeah,
That's what he said.
he was not in the
So
search, Lordship.
basically, it is not the case of the that response number, the OP number 4, that it is he proved that the Prosody is the son of Katumia from all these records. As you know, what kind of evidence is required to prove the section 9? And from the records itself, he said that nothing is available. Order of the circle officer is there, but in the record there is nothing available.
Yes, Lordship, it is also true that he was not in the SARS at that time.
Whose duty to prove?
Then the office itself is
Whose duty
liable,
to prove?
Lordship.
Whose duty to prove? This is the document, this is the death certificate of my father, this is the legal heir certificate, this is the death, this is the certificate of the concerned Gaumpura, on the basis of which my name has been incorporated in the Jamabandi pursuant to because of the order passed by the circle officer.
Yes,
So it
Lordship.
is,
Then how the petitioner's name appeared in the
how
mutation,
the
Lordship?
petitioner have placed before the tribunal to prove his link with his projected father. Now just see one thing. The proceeding, this particular proceeding, when did he file his written statement?
Yes. That,
2017.
I'm looking, Lordship. Date 16/7/2015.
2015.
Yeah.
So, will you not be aware of any such order of the circle officer that was passed in 2011?
Lordship, perhaps he has given the
How can a
documents to
person know that
the
this
concerned
particular land is
advocate.
in my name?
So
How can it?
advocate maybe not, but
Not required. Just see what is the statement in his written statement.
Lordship,
Paragraph 12 of the written statement.
12. That the page number 12, pair 12, that the father of the second party had landed property at village Agmondia, Bhait, Patta number 112 and 119, under Moja Mondia, district Borpeta, Assam. One land revenue payment received has been produced in this regard.
So, into when he has shown this particular
Affidavit.
affidavit or verification
July
or
15.
whatever,
July 15.
will he not be aware that in the 2011 HS he became the landholder in place of his father?
My humble respect, Lordship.
Sure.
To prove this, Lordship, then the advocates would be dragged, Lordship.
Very good.
May not he, he may not be, might
No,
not
no.
produce
That is the
his
reason.
document.
Yes, we'll come back at 2.
Yes, Lordship.
Ms. Verma? Tell us. After this, maybe one of Mr. Sharma. Thereafter, will not take it.
One, we had obtained instruction, the last date, Borpeta and Bojali, which district, if Lordship would like to take up that.
Which
We have-
one?
There is one in orders, Lordship. Now, on the last day, Lordship had asked me to obtain instruction.
What is the number?
Orders with Rajiv.
Which side? Same number?
45.
Okay. Let us come back and.
Petitioner is relying upon the land document, Lordship, that goes.
No, land document, how? Why?
Lordship, because
Because of
2011,
Latman.
Latmandal's deposition and father died sometime in 87. The mutation was done in 2011, and this copy is not a certified copy, as well as this has been taken out from the government records only in the year 2018, Lordship. Before that, even in his WS, he has not mentioned, and document lacks. If next of kin certificate was there, then the other brothers, sisters' name ought to have been there, which is not there in the Jamabandi, nor any such document was found by the Latmandal in the circle officers records also when he applied for mutation. And he has not been able to establish his own linkage with Gattu Miya, Lordship. None of
Why?
the Lordship will
Name
look
of
at,
his mother and his father was there.
but not a single voters list to show mother, father, any other sibling also. His name is
Name of
not
his
there.
mother and father were there. And later
Mother,
name of his
father.
mother and himself was there.
Now, if he has not been able to establish with the father, how do we know that she is not a projected mother, Lordship?
Why?
There, I have my doubts on that, Lordship.
1997, your doubt will not do. 1997 voter list shows himself and with his mother, right? And earlier voter list shows his mother along with his father.
85, Lordship is referring to 85. 66 is the voters list of him, his
Father and mother.
father and mother, and no other.
70 also father and mother.
Yes,
But after 70, there is no voter list.
no voters list. The continuous stay is also not there, Lordship, and the
After
next,
70, there is voter list, but in the year 1985, there is a voter list.
and in between voters list is also missing, as well as voters list with his mother, Lordship, it is only in
1997.
97.
Hmm.
97 is at the age of 21. Either the mother, she's 74. So that means when she was 53, then he was born, Lordship. This age discrepancy is a little bit not understandable, Lordship. His elder brother, Talibor, I think he says
There are
Talib.
there are many aspects. That one more aspect is come to page 62. The voter list of 1997.
Yes, Lordship.
Names of mother and the petitioner.
Yes.
Thereafter, no voter list. The next voter list is of the year 2010. Come to page 64. One Sampatan Begum is there, wife
Yeah.
of Gattu Miya, and one Rukia Khatun is there, wife of maybe Samsul. Where is Samsul?
Something. And here the mother's age again becomes less. It becomes 73 in 2010 lordship. And in 97, she's 74. And Rukia's name with her husband is only in the year. No. And they have annexed one more voters list, but this, since the sibling's name is not there in the WSO, cannot be taken into.
This page 65, there is which constituency? 45 Bagbor.
Yes, lordship. It is all along that only. The village has not changed, lordship.
All part number 1 of Mandir.
In
Why your name
97,
is not there along with your wife Rukia?
and again in 97 also, his name could have appeared with his brother because the village is same, LAC same, everything is same, lordship.
Lordship, in the voter list of 2010, my name is not there because they put against my name. Lordship.
Where is it?
Page number 64, Lordship.
No, where is the marking?
You are not stated in a WS, no?
Serial number will not 603 and 605. In between, there is one number 604. That number was my name, Milord. But what happened when these put Milord, that copy is not given. Only the names are given. But this has no D mark. D marks are not given. And
Which
subsequently
is
also similar.
2010. 2010. 2010, I think the
2010.
annexures are not matching.
64 was how?
If you can answer.
Because they put against his name, Lordship. So his name regarding voter list cannot be, could not be taken, Lordship.
Continue to now.
Then, Ms. Verma,
His continuous stay is not proved, his linkage with his father is not clear, lordship. He's failed to prove his linkage with his father in the Latmondal's deposition on the land documents. And the opinion is.
97, at least your elder brother's name should have been there. 2010, okay, you are marked D, so in certified copy, your name is not there. 97, he's your elder brother.
Yeah.
Talebora.
He lives separately, Lordship. So his name,
68.
page number 68.
69, 97, 77. Their names is separate.
Page number 68 was here. Talebor.
Talebora.
Serial number 1237, Lordship. House number 346. Talebor Rahman, son of Gatomia. Village is same, Lordship, Agmondia. Son of Gatomia.
Gatumia is not there, lordship, so his name can be used anywhere.
Lordship, he is not alive.
Yeah, that is the saddest part. Now, the deposition removal is You don't know. Okay. And the Gaubura certificate has the state emblem lordship, so that also goes. Lordship, if lordship comes to the Gaubura's deposition at page 23, lordships, Gaubura is also says that he has issued the certificate where I'm the Gaubura, the OP is not a foreigner. He's an Indian citizen, and I'm knowledge by knowledge. He says I know him since my childhood. Though the Gaubura has not brought any records to prove the certificate, we maintain register book for issuing residential certificate. We do not keep population registered record book. I have not brought and submitted any documents of the population inhabitant of both the villages. The OP may be about 40 years age as on date. The OP's father had expired 20 years ago. I do not remember the date of his death. During his lifetime, he had casted vote. How come the Gaubura knows when the father casted vote?
No, Gaubra, see his age,
He's 50.
Gaubra.
Yes, Lordship. He is 66.
66.
66.
Where's the age?
Yes,
Possible.
Lordship. And Gaubura says, I know he had not casted vote after 1985. And I know he had not cast the OP has two elder brothers, which the petitioner has failed to put it in his written statement. Everyone knows that how many siblings he has, but his written statement is vague,
Silent.
Lordship. It does not contain any details of his family, uncle, aunts, or siblings. He may be student, I do not know his age.
Lordship, as his father died after 1985, so it's clear, Lordship. So he know that he hadn't casted his vote.
But what evidence?
He knew the person at a considerable time, Lordship, for a considerable time.
Even if the voters list do not support his citizenship, the land document also fails, Lordship.
Any judgment?
Yes, Lordship, we will like to long stay in the country. The continuous stay in the country is not the Lordship. And enrollment in voters list do not confer that. I am referring to 2002 4 SCC 346. Banwaru Khan versus Union of India.
For HCC,
346.
346,
Yes, Lordship.
continuous stay.
Long stay in country and enrollment in voters list do not confer citizenship. Paragraph I have to come to. Hmm? Hmm? Paragraph 15, Lordship. Type into it, huh? Lordship will want to rely on one more. Abdul Quddus Lordship, WPC 1073 of 2016.
For what?
This is documentary evidence has to be proved on the basis of the contemporaneous record and not on the basis of personal knowledge through oral testimony. From the document as well as from the deposition of the Gambura, what transpires is the certificate was issued without reference.
Okay, then.
Bashiran, although oral evidence, Bashiran Bibi to Ribu Pari. Lordship, I would again rely to Bashiran Bibi. It's reported in 2018, 1 GLT 372. It is regarding discrepancies in the voters list and reliance placed in the case of Abdul Matali, Elias Matlab Mohammed, can be of no assistance to the petitioner as it has been clarified by this court in various decisions that the said decision did not lay down any law and was a decision confined to the facts and circumstances of the case regarding discrepancies in the voters list, which the petitioner contended were not her creation being entered into by officials of Election Commission and therefore should not be used adversely against the petitioner. Such contention is without substance. The voters list were adduced as evidence by the petitioner herself to prove her case that she was not a foreigner but a citizen of India. Petitioner cannot insist that only that portions of the voters list which are in her favor should be accepted and those portions going against her should be overlooked. This is not how a document put forward as a piece of evidence should be examined. It has to be examined as a whole, Lordship.
Anything else?
One more, Lordship. WPC 562 of 2016. Bijoy Das, BIJOY. Decided on 18/4/2018. Private 17, Lordship. It is tried that mere filing of written statement and oral testimony in a proceeding under the Foreigners Act 1947 would not be enough. The fact in issue would have to be proved by the proceedee by adducing documentary evidence which are admissible and relevant.
Okay.
That's it.
Yes, Mr. Spear, anything you'd like to add?
Lordship.
Anything you'd like to add?
Lordship, I, as a linkage, Lordship, I have shown voter list 1966, 70, where my parents' name appeared, Lordship, and 97 with my mother, Lordship, and the land document. Gambura also deposed before the tribunal and also certifies him as he is a resident of the address, Lordship. Because his father expired after 1985, so his name didn't appear the subsequent voter list, Lordship. That's all, Lordship.
Radio. Hearing.
Lordship, one more.
Yes, yes.
Lordship, we had submitted
Yeah.
a written argument On 29/10/2019, where I have stated about my siblings, Lordship.
Will that do? If it was not there in the your written statement or reply to the show cause,
Lordship.
even if you add something in your written argument, will that do if it is not incorporated in the written statement? Have you stated about your siblings?
No, Lordship, I have this piece of document, so
Is it possible to
Address-
access in law, in evidence? Did you state in your written statement? That's why we've been asking you in the first half also where you are good, where you have indicated.
no, Lordship. কোৱাটো নহ'লে এইটো কোৱা নাছিলো না।
Okay.
Obliged.
Forty-six from completed. May I do that? The humble and respectful submission is this manner. That you, which has been decided by the line court below, is not a foreigner. He is a citizen under the Citizenship Act, fee of the Citizenship Act. The line trial court, without going through the documents filed, as well as the inquiry report and the submissions, report of the submission, and the inquiry report filed by the inquiry officer. The case has been prosecuted. All the persons of the family are not against their any inquiry about them, that they are the foreigner. The father, mother, brothers, husband, and sons and daughters they are all the citizens. Here, my lord, if your lordship, in this case, we have filed a written statement in the trial court, and as well as 4 witnesses has been adduced, and also exhibited many more documents in this respect, including the Kheras periodic patta, certificate of Gavura, voter list, and others. But without going through all these and fictitiously decided by the climate trial. Here, my lord, at the very outset, your lordship, it goes to the inquiry report at page 70, annexure 1C, page 70. And before that, page 16, my lord, inquiry report of the suspected foreigners, form number 2. There the first line, name of the persons and the suspected foreigners. Sajida Khatun, daughter of Abdul Mullah. It is their report regarding the inquiry officer. And in this respect, the
Superintendent of Police, without going through the forum and the judicious mind, as well as for the administration of justice, forwarded this case as a foreigner's criminal to this foreigner's criminal to inquiry about it. And accordingly, notice has been served and the petitioner has been filed written statement at page 18 and Annexure 2. That in this Annexure 2, all these things has been clearly stated that the second party is a citizen of India by birth. She was born by birth. She was the daughter of Khodaram Mullah, grandmother namely grandfather Khodaram Mullah, grandmother namely Talukjan Nessa, uncle namely Chat, with the second party, appeared in the voter list 1960, 1970, bike serial number Chat, and number 44 and 45 of village Banglabara, Mouza Khilajari, P1 district Barpeta. That the father's name was Abdul Mullah, alias Abdul Ali, namely mother's name Rahila Begum, Rahana Khatun, and uncle's names are such, and they are appeared in the voter list 1989, such, and the village Banglabara in the LSC of Barpeta LSC. That my lord, that the father's namely Abdul Mullah, mother namely Rana Khatun Begum, brothers namely all such as Jaina Mullah, Rajan Mullah, and others second set appeared in the voter list in the 1997 5 series number such and Khilajari Moja LSC. And then the Abdul Mullah, mother's namely Rehra Khatun, and brothers namely Jana Mila, Rajan Mullah of the second parties appeared in the voter list such. These are the, my lord, in statement. In this respect, the Gaubura has been also, in this respect, they made a certificate in this, and that certificate has been annexed at Vido. Then you, my lord, the fathers that the Sajida Khatun at the paragraph number 13, that the own name Sajana Khatun of the second party, along with their husband, namely Asaruddin, appeared in the voter list of 1997 by serial number 30 of village Muhammadpur, Mouza Zania, PS district, Barpeta. And the fathers, namely, at paragraph 22, paragraph 15, that the fathers-in-law, namely Sahib Ali, and mother-in-law, namely Hasan Nasa of the second party, appeared in the voter list that they are the father-in-law and mother-in-law. That the father-in-law,
Where are the voters list in the writ petition?
The petition we have been not annexed, that is document already has been come. And if your lordship is wanted look after, then we have been some documents.
No, that is part of the record, but you should ideally annex this, because it is these documents on the basis of which you are laying a foundation of your citizenship.
Citizen, that has been my lord.
You could annex the land documents, but you have not annexed voters list. Why?
Oh, but it has been already, that has been annexed in the record has been, I have been there. That in my.
Now, can you refer to which page of the record?
No, we have not gone to that.
It is only for the sake of convenience. If you annex it, your page and our page would be the same.
That is true, my lord, but it was.
When did you first cast your vote? Which year?
In the year of 1997, my lord.
1997.
97. Yes, sir. that we have been annexed one Kheras Patta, which has been father-in-law, which has been fathers, that is Kherazin Patta, that is in the year of 1950. We have been annexed there with her. That is line of trial court, it has been not mentioned.
मेरा नाम 97 of voters. What is the name of your father?
My lord,
What is the name of your father?
Kodamia.
Kodamia. So his voters list.
I shall show, my lord.
What is the name of your father?
My father's name is my lord.
Kodamia.
There is a grandfather, my lord. He is.
What
That
is the
is
name of your father?
Abdul Mullah.
Abdul?
Abdul Mullah's father is Kodamia.
Okay, when did Abdul Mullah's name first came up in the voters list?
I shall
Which
show
year?
you. I shall give you a photo. Thank you.
So we have the records. You can just, whatever is there in the records, we'll see. You can just refer.
My lord.
1989. The first voter list of father is 1989. 1989.
Fathers?
Yes. Fathers is 1989. Grandfathers is
Not even in 76, father's name is there.
yes, only in 1989.
76 petitioner claims.
No, from the judgment, madam. Annexure B, exhibit B.
Record doesn't show anything. Record show only for the first time in 1997.
97 or 9 to father.
It is 70, no?
1970.
97. It is 1970 years, my lord. Where is Kodara Mullah?
See.
Where is Kodara Mullah? 97.
Abdul Mullah. Abdul Mullah.
Abdullah.
Abdullah.
Mullah to Kokani.
Huh?
Kokani.
Kodara Mullah, yeah.
এই ব্যাপার বিষয় আব্দুল মোল্লা
Abdul Mustafa.
Which voter list in 97 your name is there, Mr. Sharma?
Yes, my lord, that is 1989, my lord, originally.
89.
89. Kodaram, that is fathers, was 1970. Kodaram, that is
Not Khodaram. Khodaram is grandfather.
grandfather. That is Kodaram
Father's
is,
name first time when?
that is my lord. Sabedal, no?
exhibit F exhibit C.
It is given what? It is Kodaram, Mullah. It is Hatanapur.
89 প্রথম মাইতে বাপের কোন নাম 1966 ভিতরে লেখ ভোটার লিস্ট নাই কোনি
Payang, whose name figures in the voter list of 89?
Father.
Father's name.
Father.
Where from are you saying?
No, why not exhibit G H I J G H I exhibit icon person exhibit I No, 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 yeah. Yeah. 51. Here it is, Malad, they're claiming that this A Ali is also known as Malad, and the Abdul Mullah is center. That's why they're saying it, like, their name is first. In 89, it is known as one A Ali, son of late Khudaram Mullah. And that's why they think it is simple.
How old was he in 89?
89, it is 39 years.
So
His name should have been there in 1966, 71.
21 years.
7.
So his name should have been there from 1971. Total list of 75, 76, his name should have been there with his father in that.
Khudaram Mullah's name has been in the year of 1979. It is in the electoral list, voter list.
Hazarika.
1997.
Pursuant to the order of the court, if you communicate to someone,
I have made communication.
No, if you do not receive any instructions from what you hereafter, what you it's a reminder or what?
Reminder.
And then if the authority doesn't reply,
Okay, we will appropriate other. Personally, I have made communicate with the telephone, but here, that one.
did you inquire why?
Even a lot of I have been, and on his WhatsApp also was it. Also, I did not.
This is the exhibit.
Also, Mr. Tina also.
Okay.
The periodic patta which has been, my lord, submitted of his father-in-law's name, father is, that is also exhibited by the Lion Tribe. That periodic patta is 1950-51. As well,
Was it exhibited?
yes, that's what
And
exhibit Q, no?
It was in the name of your grandfather.
Yes, my lord.
How you have projected, how could have shown, established your father with your grandfather? Then you yourself with your father.
That is, I have been mentioned in my written statement itself also. Written
How
statement,
you have proved? How you have proved that?
that is proved by evidence, my lord.
Let us see your evidence. Have you annexed?
Evidence we have been not annexed, my lord.
Huh?
Evidence not annexed, my lord, that is with my copy connection. We have been annexed in the exhibit A2, my lord.
Where is Mr. Sharma? Ask him. When did the petitioner appear before the Superintendent Police Board? We want to know.
The DW1, my lord. That the petitioner itself has been exhibited all this time. The exhibit 1A is the voter list of 1966. Exhibit B is the voter list of 1970. Exhibit C is the voter list of 1989. Exhibit D is the voter list of 1997. Exhibit E is the voter list of 2005. Exhibit F is the voter list of 1966. Exhibit G is the voter list of 1971. Exhibit H is the voter list of 1989. Exhibit I is the voter list of 1997. Exhibit J is the voter list of 2005. Exhibit KL is the birth certificate. Exhibit MV is the Gaubura certificate. Exhibit OA is the name of correction affidavit. These are the exhibits exhibited by the petitioners himself. Then evidence to Rahila Khatun, the mother of the petitioner. He clearly stated about the voter list and others matter, and some questions has been put by the line of trial court, and they have been answered in respect of this, and also they stated about their brothers, Akspat Ali Sachat and Gufar Mia, Gufar Ali, and husband Abdul Mullah, has one sister, namely Batchahi. These are the made in affidavit in primary evidence by the PWD2 or DW2. Then my lord, DW3. Ranjan Mullah, Abdul Mullah, son of Abdul Mullah, aged about 38 years, village Sachat. He also permanently residing in India, and also stated that he is the brother, and also voter list has been exhibited, stated about it, and also in the primary evidence, as a primary evidence, and their sister's name also.
You have the voter list of 1989.
Yes, ma'am.
In the voter list of 1989, one A. Ali, son of late Khodaram Mullah.
Yes.
Is it about 39 reflected in the voter list, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Similarly, one Rahila Begum, wife of A. Ali, is it about 29 years, female.
Yes, ma'am.
This is a voter list of 1989.
Yes.
Clearly reflecting A. Ali, father or husband, late Khodaram Mullah.
Yes.
1997 voter list. There is no Abdul Ali, no A. Ali, nobody. Abdul Mullah.
Abdul Mullah.
Khodaram.
Rahila Khatun.
It's not late Kodaram. It is Kodaram.
Yes, my lord.
Then he is 55 years. If you are saying that in 89 his name figured, he was 39.
39.
And after 8 years, he has become 55.
That is my
You do
lord.
not know. This is your document.
Oh, yes,
Rahela Begum.
yes,
Now she has become Rahela Khatun,
yes. That is
wife
the
of Abdul.
Abdul.
She was 29 in 1989. And
Yeah.
after 8 years, she has become 45 years.
45 years.
So
That one, it may be wrong, my lord. Sometimes it is with many in the
cannot
quota
be,
list.
cannot be. This is
Quotas
your
list.
document.
It may be,
Let us
documents,
assume,
documents has been made by
for the
the,
time being, let us assume that A. Ali is your father.
yes.
He was 39 in the years 1989. Right?
No, in this.
Which one is correct? 39 is correct or 1997 is correct?
It is my lord, 30, it is in
Which
1997
one is
is not.
correct? It is important. That is the reason we are asking you. Which one is correct?
That we must, that in their affidavit, we may show my lord.
No, affidavit will not do.
But here, my lord, some, in respect of the, my lord, that quota list also, many times, ours names, ours age also stands, my lord.
That has to be corrected by yourself. Not
That is
because
true,
you are
my lord.
relying-
That is true. It is true, my lord. But it is been wrongly, and only we can know about only on the day of the casting the vote. Only on the day of the casting of the vote. But my humble and respectful submission is this, that whether he is the daughter of some Abdul Mullah, or their fathers, elder Abdul Mullah's fathers is the same or not, Rahila Khatun, whether is the mother or not, the petitioner. That is the main thing. And in the section 90, my lord, and the Evidence Act also, that the presumption may be taken, the said, that is the said periodic patta. 30 years, more than 55 years, that is in periodic patta. 30 years, maybe the presumption may be taken by your lordship. And the primary evidence, as well as the documentary evidence, although the documentary evidence, which those documents has been shown their difference of the age, that has been made by the election submission. And that document, the Kheras Patta, has been exhibited by the Planet Trial Court also. Although the burden of us under section 9 of the Foreigners Act, that we have taken the burden and we have exhibited all these things and give the evidence and file the written statement. The documents which has been we have been brought up from the election officer. And whether the name are the same or not, we are the brothers, sons, daughter of such, and our brothers has been, they are the citizen of India. There are sons, their sons are been reading in the school also, high school.
Got the information?
Yes, Lordship. Within 5 minutes, I will get. Within 5 minutes, I will get, Lordship.
Within 5 minutes. Get it.
Yes.
And the inquiry
We'll
officers,
take it up on Monday,
my lord,
Monday. Court. Mr. Fine, well.
it is your entry.
He appeared. Yes, sir. Monday, now the case paper. Case paper. Mr. Sharma, it will be on Tuesday, not on Monday, 5th.
My lord.
We'll rise early.
মই একো follow-য়ে কৰিব পৰা নাছিলো। মই বস্তুটো follow-য়ে কৰিব পৰা নাই।
Yes, no.
এইটো দি দিম। এনে পালে আলকাতৰা খাই